Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to build a project management system in Notion that's fully customizable and keeps your tasks, deadlines, and team on track. Start by creating a new page and give it a title like Project Management. Choose the table view or board view to serve as your main project tracker. Tables are great for detail tracking, while boards like Kanban are perfect for visualizing workflow. Next, add key properties to your database. Include columns for task name, assigned to, priority, status, start date, due date, and tags. You can also add a checkbox for completion or formula to calculate progress automatically. Organize your tasks using views. For example, create a board view grouped by status, to do, in progress, done, and the calendar view to see deadlines at a glance. This helps you visualize your projects from multiple angles. Use relations and roll-ups for linked projects. If you have multiple projects or subtasks, create another database for projects and link tasks to their parent project. Roll-ups can summarize total tasks, progress, or upcoming deadlines. Add filters and sorting to prioritize work. You can filter tasks by team member, priority, or due date, and sort them by deadline or status to keep your workflow organized. Finally, make it more functional with templates. For recurring projects or tasks, create a task template that includes pre-filled properties, checklists, and subtasks. This saves time and ensures consistency. For a polished dashboard, add linked databases, charts, and progress bars on the main page so you can see overall project progress, overdue tasks, and team workload at a glance. If you want to see more advanced Notion setups and productivity hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated.